Hey everyone, Eva here at the Busy Mummy Unboxing channel. Hope you're all okay and enjoying your Easter. So I'm a little bit gutted today. I've got a box from Brambles of Hull, an amazing box by the way, large. I did do an unboxing video but the sound wasn't on the video. I've no idea why. I've tried everything to get the sound back on it and it won't work. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and show you all what I got. Again, this is Brambles of Hull, which you can find on Etsy and Facebook. They also have a shop in Hull, which isn't open at the moment due to COVID. So I paid $75 for the large box. I got a bit of a discount because I bought a box before. Okay, so what I'm going to do instead, I'm just going to show everyone what I got in the box. It was a really good box and it's a shame, but hey, that happens. So yeah, I'll show you all what I got. Okay. So the first item, we've got a witch's curse oil, which smells amazing. It's like lavender scent with something else. And then I got this awesome Anne Stokes collection notebook. Just show you the inside. So you've got like a red cover there, and then all the like pages have this like skull design on them, which is pretty cool. I got these amazing bath bombs. There's two of them. One's kind of a violet and one's like a rose. One's called with a shipton. The other's called Witch's Love. I got these oracle cards. It says Mausolea Oracle of Souls. Just briefly show them you. So we've got Abraham. You've got the Traveller, Keeper of the Crossroads. Lovely detail on these. The Thinker, the Exile, Maestro, Poet of Nova. I won't show all of them, it'll take all day, but yeah, they're really nice. I do love my oracle cards. We've got this amazing umbrella, which is also Nemesis now, and Stokes. Obviously I'm not going to open the umbrella, but you can just see that design there, or if not, this is the design of it. It's like that dark Gothic fairy, and look at bird there. That's what the umbrella will look like when open. We've got some, these were like a free gift soap. It says Poseidon's Adventure. It's lovely wrapped. The boxes were gorgeously wrapped, by the way. It is a shame that they went wrong. We've got a mood drink here. Just put that on and see what colour it goes. That one is changing to green. Emotional, relaxed. Okay, it went purple before, so I guess I'm feeling a little bit different now. It's gone to blue. Calm and lovable. It's actually a really nice ring too. I did get one with another box, but this one feels much better. Yeah, that's stained it dark blue, so we'll have calm and lovable on that one. It's cool. Okay, we've got some incense, protection, smell amazing. Got this lovely little heart-shaped planchette trinket dish, which is very pretty. We've got this gorgeous canvas. Again, Anne Stokes collection, which is like very similar to the umbrella print. It's lovely. Look at that. The detail on there is amazing. I'm using like hooks on the back to hang it with. And then I think, sorry? I've got my little keyring again on Stokes. It's kind of like a 3D one. I don't know if you can just see the effect. There we go. Kind of. And then my final item, wait for it, is this lovely clock. How gorgeous is this? This is Cindy Brunston collection. Very, very pretty. So that's all my items from a large box. So I've got the clock, keyring, a little bag, canvas, the trinket box, umbrella, the oracle cards, mood ring, which have now gone back to black, bath bombs, 2 of them large. I got the little soap gift, the notebook, oil and incense, and that's a large box from Brambles of Hull. I will put the Etsy details down below. They do all sorts of other boxes, other different size boxes and other themes, also individual items. It's definitely well worth a look if you're into the same sort of stuff that I am. Anyway, sorry about the unboxing, didn't go quite right, but yeah, I'm really happy with the box. It's amazing. It was really well wrapped and it arrived in just a few days too. So that's all for now. Hope you enjoyed watching, and bye for now.